Brett has found a new favorite toy at Toys R Us. She's now... Brett, what is that? What do you got there? Is that a bear? I told her it's time to go and now she's carrying it. Okay. Look at that smile. Bear. You give it a kiss? Oh. Oh, you love that bear, huh? Oh. Big hugs. Bear hugs. Oh. Okay. Alright, let's go. Time to go home. Say bye-bye, bear. Say bye-bye, bear. Bear. Bear's gonna stay here. You can come visit it later. Oh my god. She loves this bear. Oh.